welcome back to Smyth, Steadin. Well, today I actually got on film something hilarious, and I'm sorry that I'm laughing through all of it, but, you know, things happen. So check out what's now making weird and strange noises on the homestead. So check out this video that's coming up, and we'll see you soon. Male turkey, or Tom, started gobbling today for the first time. He's that one right there. We're going to try and get him to gobble again. And there goes our rooster. He just started crowing for the first time today, too. Shut up, I don't want to record you rooster and crowing. I got him. And she's up there making noise at me too. No, yeah. Oh, shut up, rooster. We hear you. Oh, yeah, try it with the turkeys to see what happens. This rooster thinks he's all big and bad now he can crow. But I just thought you guys would get a kick out of that. Rooster dooster. You're gonna be yummy, yummy in my belly, rooster dooster.
I want to eat that one.
Jesus, Macy. Well, get off of there then. Oh my God, that's funny. That's just funny. Alright, y'all. Let's take. Here's the new enclosure that we have set up. It goes. The old chicken and turkey pen is now open. We've moved the fencing so that the whole area is open. I'm sorry, I can't stop laughing. Rabbits are still over there. We got a bunch of chickens out. But no meat birds left. They're gone. They're in the freezer. They have gone to freezer camp. We burned last night, finally, so no more trash. Take you around here. You can see what Justin's... Oh, hush. See what Justin's doing. He's over here building the chair. Say hi.
Hi.
What do you think about your turkey gobbling?
I just find it hilarious you're communing with the spirits of the yard here.
Hey, leave me alone. I like my yard animals that I can commune with. Move your head, Macy. There's a chicken tractor flipped over. The remains of the chickens, which is just some feathers left. We burnt the rest of them last night. Our compost pile that really badly needs to be turned.
Yeah,
That's where we do chickens at. But that's it. That's all we did. Y'all gonna say hi and bye?
Bye.
all potatoes.
Alright, y'all. Well, the last little bit of this, I'm going to show you the garden and see how it's doing. Sorry, I don't have my tripod on me. It's in the house. The baby's sleeping, so I didn't want to really mess with it too much. We can hear him because we got all the windows in the house open, so if he wakes up, he immediately starts crying. So, yeah. Sorry, I have to look where I'm going. So I'm going to turn this camera around. I'm going to show you the garden and what's going and what's not going, and see you in a minute. Oh, well, here's the garden. We have some cucumbers still growing. They're not looking too good over here. Some of these bush bean plants are actually producing again. Ironically, I didn't know they did that. So those are still going. And then obviously we definitely have these beans that trellis themselves. They're still flowering. They're still producing. We're still getting zucchini. We have several zucchini, I think, on that one that's still growing. Tomatoes are back there. Pepper plants back there are all flowering and growing. And our lettuce is still going. We did take the potatoes out. There was like nothing on them. But they had these huge, like, here, I can even show you. Look. They had huge potatoes on, one huge potato each. The root was coming out, or the thing was coming out of the plant, and that's it. And then we transplanted a zucchini, which is still growing. We have tons of jalapenos. Justin's so happy with his Goodyear jalapenos. And then pretty much our onions are just there. Here is the other garden. Some of our tomatoes are starting to turn yellow. If you can see back there, all those yellow flowers are cucumbers. And then we have back there, I don't know if you, oh yeah, see? We got a green pepper on there. So our pepper plants are doing good. These zucchini plants, we get zucchinis off of them all the time. Right now we have a zucchini right there. Yep, right there.
I see it.
This one has decided to grow up like a tomato, ironically. This one we just harvested. That one we haven't harvested recently, but it decided to fall over like that, so I'm pretty sure soon we will. Tomatoes are doing okay. I think we might have a calcium deficiency. We have this black rot stuff on the bottom, but it's not like rotting. And then over here we have the rabbits. We did move their little thing back and redid it some because... Hi, chickens. And you can say hi to the chickens. Those are our Buff Orpingtons. Some of them are, they're molting. So, here's Sugar. Does Sugar get hay?
Yes, ma'am.
Don't you think maybe you should give her some? And Fawn. I didn't realize we didn't give the rabbits hay. And this is why we always have to check on the kids and see what they're doing. Move Sugar's cage back just a smidge. Hi, Fawn, baby girl. She's a sweetheart. Fawn's a sweets, isn't she? Yes. Sugar is now hand shy for some unknown reasons, so I think one of the neighbor kids might have done something to her. And Shadow is no longer hand shy, which is ironic. See, look, that's what they're waiting for is, hey, do Fawn's one side of her. Fawn's cage only opens on one side because she has learned how to open the cage. So we have to have it zip tied shut.
Which is no longer on there anymore.
We gotta clean these cages out. Shadow's cage has literally crap and some hay in the corner because it has, anyway, Shadow's cage is not great right now. I have to fix his cage. Bottom corner has rusted out. We're getting ready to make new cages for the rabbits because Casper, unfortunately, poor baby, is still stuck in the shed over there. But y'all, well, that's the end of our video. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for watching our videos. We're having some fun. I know we haven't been around the last month, but we've got a lot of stuff going on, so we haven't been able to really been on. I actually have 2 job interviews tomorrow. One in Grayling, one in West Branch, hopefully for a good job. Not the Visions isn't a good job, but they just don't have the hours for me that I need. So we've been struggling with that. So thankfully, at least we have chickens in our freezer. We get some stuff out of the garden. We've been eating out of the garden, eating our chicken, having a good time, teaching the kids a lot of stuff. They're doing good. Yeah. So that's pretty much it. Now, I don't know if I'm doing a live tomorrow morning. It's been pretty crazy. I have a job interview at 11 o'clock in the morning, and I have to leave it by 10:15 to get there. So we may or may not do one. I don't know yet. You'll find out tomorrow. So if I'm not on tomorrow morning, I'll try to be on tomorrow evening for a live. So have a great day. See ya.